last 4 years, I've done over $6.5 million in print-on-demand Shopify sales selling t-shirts. Yes, you heard that correctly, which is even crazier given the fact that so many content creators say that we shouldn't be selling t-shirts, that t-shirts and print-on-demand is dead. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing why I sell t-shirts and why I will continue to sell t-shirts. And if you stick around to the end, I will be sharing exactly how much my top selling design has made me from this past year alone, allowing you to make the decision of whether selling t-shirts is worth your time or not. So let's get into it. So why exactly do I sell t-shirts to begin with? And the first reason is that t-shirts are an evergreen product, meaning that they're timeless. No matter what point in history we've been in, okay, besides like maybe the Romans, people still buy and wear graphic t-shirts. I mean, they were big in the 80s, they're big now. Even t-shirts that were cool in the 80s are coming back now in the 2020s. So they're an evergreen product. People are going to buy them time and time again. Another beautiful part about t-shirts is that we can wear them any time of the year. You can wear them in the winter. You may just need to put a hoodie or a sweatshirt on over top, but you can definitely wear them in the fall, spring, and summer as well. So people can buy them all year round. This is very different from, let's say, doing Christmas ornaments and trying to make a brand out of selling ornaments. It's not that it can't be successful, but people are more likely to buy around Christmas time. So that's probably when you're going to have the majority of your sales. You know, you could probably do a Christmas in July sale and do a pretty decent amount of revenue that way, but most of your sales are going to be happening during one quarter of the year. Where if we're picking a product that people can buy throughout the year, like t-shirts, we can have steady sales throughout the entire year, which gives us a lot more flexibility as a business and as a brand. The second reason that I sell t-shirts and will continue to sell t-shirts is that there's a high market demand. No matter where we've been in history, people have purchased t-shirts. And I don't think it's shocking that when people go on a vacation, usually the souvenir that they come home with is a t-shirt because they want to show people that they went there. They want to show people what they're interested in. Really, a graphic t-shirt is almost like somebody sharing bits and pieces of their personality. So there's a lot of high market demand for them. And the beauty of t-shirts specifically now is that you can really dress t-shirts up or dress them down, wear them to sporting events, you name it. I mean, a lot of the top trends that are out there are people wearing t-shirts, oversized t-shirts, tucking them into, you know, their high-waisted jeans. Really, you can make and style them any way that you want now. So especially right now, there's huge market demand, and I think there's going to continue to be huge market demand. And the third reason why I sell and will continue to sell t-shirts is that it's actually the #1 best-selling product by print-on-demand companies. So Printify, Printful, you name it, their #1 top seller are t-shirts. And I don't think that shows that t-shirts are dying out or that people aren't buying them, because if they weren't, another product would be completely taking off and soaring within print-on-demand. But year after year, it's always the simple graphic t-shirt that is the #1 selling product. So how much can really one product or one t-shirt make you throughout the year? I started my current print-on-demand Shopify brand back in July of 2023. And over the course of running this print-on-demand Shopify brand for the last year, I was able to do $1,219,598.19 in sales. And all of that was t-shirts. So clearly we can still sell t-shirts. But how much did my top selling design actually make? So let's head over to our product analytics and I'll show you exactly how much one simple t-shirt design made me over the course of this past year. So now that we're here with our product breakdown, you can see I do offer a add-on shipping protection. So I'm not going to count that because that's like maybe $1 that people would add on to, you know, their order. But the first product here, as you can see, is a t-shirt. They're all t-shirts. Every single one of these top selling designs is a t-shirt. My overall best seller from this year did almost $250,000 in sales alone. One design. That was it. It took one design to do $246,894.81 in sales. And the next runner up was close to $100,000 in sales. It did $97,985.28 in sales. So it just shows you really only need a few top selling designs in order to have a business that scales. But at the same time, you can run a brand that's only selling one product. I didn't branch out. I didn't try different things. I simply sold one product, and that was t-shirts. There was no crazy upsell for a hat or for a pillow for your sofa or a shower curtain. I didn't make my store look almost as if it's a Chinese gift shop. Instead, I really just focused on giving one stellar product with really good designs in one niche. And that completely gave my brand the trajectory that it's now on. So after seeing how much you can actually make by simply just selling t-shirts, the question remains, are t-shirts worth your time? So if you think that selling t-shirts is worth your time and effort, you're gonna wanna check out this video here where I explain why right now is the best time to start your print-on-demand brand.